Hey, Forex baddies, what do we have here? An inverted head and shoulders. As we see down here, this is one shoulder. Here's the head, and here's the next shoulder forming, all right? So what do? We actually draw our resistance line here. All right, we see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then over here, 8. This area right here is an area of resistance, okay? And so we're going to wait for price to break the area of resistance or the neckline, because this is called the neckline, and then retest the neckline, and then move bullishly towards our take profit area. And of course, our take profit area is our next area of resistance. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what it does. There's the retest. See, it broke, it retest, and now it's moving upward. Yeah, so is it going to hit it? Boom, it did hit our area. Boom, yes it did.